This is our mascot. His name is Sonny. This is our sunscreen. People tell us it smells like summer. We like that. This is our home, the Sunshine State. This is our beach, our office where it all began. And this is what work looks like here. This is our conference table, our boardroom, our fish, our other fish, genie, bikinis, flamingos, and this is our back porch. Bands stop by here to get off the road, grab a board and go for a little surf, shoot some pool, or just hang out for a few hours. Sometimes they even play music for us. This is our truck. We drive it around the country for this thing we call a bum rush tour. We show up unannounced and hold 15-minute contests for whoever's in the water. The winner gets a cheap champagne shower and $1,000. This is our nonprofit. Groms means kids in surf lingo. Did you know that 1 in 5 of us will get skin cancer and that 80% of the cases were caused from sunburns you got when you were a kid? So we partner with elementary schools to do assemblies, provide sunscreen and hats, and put shade over their playgrounds. You see, ultimately, we want to make a difference, and we want our lives to matter. We make products the way we like them, and we hope you like them too.